dressing up as anime characters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I like that. I like that. Anime characters specifically. I like that.
What anime have you watched? Have you watched anime?
None. But it doesn't have anything to do with chainsaws, like at all.
Well, the main character has chainsaw powers.
Imagine your arms.
In your face, don't forget the face.
Oh, in your face. Chainsaw. You can, and then it's a chainsaw.
And he's
chainsaw,
a fucking plug coming out his chest.
You got 3 chainsaws.
And he's like a devil.
And then somebody, like your heart is like the power cord, and you pull it.
You pull it. And now you got 3 chainsaws. You fighting and shit. Ooh, the movie game. That nigga moving like Spider-Man in the game. Feel me? Y'all seen the Chainsaw Man movie?